Bratans, what's up? I found something very interesting in the charts. A new pattern is unfolding right now, and I wanted to show you this. And also, we today about chilies, because Philip asked, thank you for your work. Chilies would be interesting. This we will do. And also, guys, I want to thank you for so much love in the comments, because I nearly every of your comment liked. I kiss you, bratan. Watching your videos slowly but surely becomes daily routine. Thank you very much. Love your videos. You are super accurate. No emotions, UTA, just facts. It's so much. And from all over the world are people writing, and this is crazy. Let's go into the charts right now, and to somebody who is maybe new on the channel, let's quickly repeat that we are here as this Wyckoff logic 1 2 3 4, and now we are again in the accumulation zone, right? This step one, right? And this is what we are now trying to prove, that this is really, or observing that that's really right. This is now the accumulation zone which we see here, right? Because the Wyckoff logic is now completed, and it's completed. It's proven that it's completed. We see the Wyckoff logic here. It's crazy how perfectly it is, right? So, and now we zooming here in and watching what is happening if we are zooming in. If we are zooming in, we find something like this. It's called accumulation schematic 1 Wyckoff pattern, right? And we are now watching this channel, right? We see this channel clearly on the 4-hourly. Clearly we are bouncing on this channel, and we are trying to prove that if we are breaking down this channel and break the previous bottom, then this Wyckoff schematic 1 accumulation is proven, right? So right now, guys, I told you, we see here in the immediate short term, we see here a bull flag, right? You see here, you measure it from the bottom to the top, right? And the price target is approximately 39,999, 40,000, right? But be very careful, because, guys, I told you, we can see further a bouncing between this channel, right, before we breaking down, or we could also now breaking down. And the whales are playing with our emotions, because you see, we had here big pump out of this bull flag, and the people going, everybody, we're going long. I told you, wait until we see clear confirmation volume. Wait till we see a clear 4-hourly candle closing above, and we have to break this resistance, because this is a very big resistance. You see here resistance, here resistance, here resistance, here resistance, right? We have to break also this resistance. So if we break this both resistance clearly with a clear volume, right, then we can make here a small long trade, right? So, guys, because I see also here, we see small dump, everybody getting in a short, jumping in a short. And if you have over leveraged short position here, what they do, the whales, they're laughing, pissing, farting in our faces. You go short, and they go pumping the price until this resistance line, and then dumping, right? And then you think, oh, bro, I was here in a short position, but they pumped the price and then dumped, because you were over leveraged and you jumped maybe too early in a trade, right? The only expectation is if you have not so much leverage. Don't use too much leverage. And it's very important, guys. Trading is all about control your emotions. It's not gambling. If you here for playing with your emotions, right, like being excited at pump, then afraid at dump, then you are probably too much invested in, and you are just like a gambler. And if you're a gambler, you will lose all your money, trust me, because the market takes the most of the money from the most of the people, right? So please be very careful. Take care of your emotions and don't over leverage, especially if you're not professional trader. Then just buy through spot, right? Okay, so but if we are zooming in right now, I found a new pattern, guys. If we are zooming in on the 1-hourly, look what we find here. We see a rising wedge, right? And the rising wedge is a bearish pattern. What happened last time? rising wedge. I told you also, you can watch the videos before. We broke it down, right? And we dumped, right? So right now we see the same happening, right? We in this rising wedge, and the more it gets squeezed, the more we see a bigger dump, right? Technically, the price target of this rising wedge would be the previous bottom, which would be at 35,508, right? So you see the bottom of the wedge, right? Not the bottom of the bottom, but the bottom of the wedge. So at 3,550, 35,528, right? So you have to watch. If we break here at approximately, with clear selling volume at approximately 37,550 down, you can make a short position. If we're breaking up, you can make a long position, right? But be very careful. We are in a bear market. In a bear market, you should short, not too much long, because the chances that we are pumping hard is not so likely like the chance that we are dumping, right? Because we are in a clear, but very, very clear bear market. You see? If I go also on the daily you can clearly see, if you want the question, if you want to answer to yourself, you see we are under the EMA ribbon. If we're under the EMA ribbon, we are clearly in a downtrend, right? So this is what I thinking. It's not a financial advice, it's only my opinion, guys. So please be careful. We are right now in this huge rising wedge, and technically we should break it down, because it's a bearish pattern. We are in a downtrend also, and go to 35,500. So this is, you could make a trade at least at 5.5% on 10x leverage. It's even 55%. If you want to trade and also claim a bonus and support me, because it's affiliate link, you can claim your bonus at 8,200 for free after initial deposit on Bybit and Phoenix, right? 8,200 bonus. If you're not a professional trader, claim your bonus 8,200 in bonus after initial deposit, and buy just through spot, guys. So this is very important for us to watching. And if we break the previous bottom, which is at 33,000, right? If we break it, then we prove that this is clearly we are in a clear Wyckoff accumulation schematic one, right? Because if we break the previous bottom, we're creating a new ST point, and we are in phase B, right? So guys, this is what we are now watching for it. I say to you, you can only make a short position if we break this neckline, right? You see also this neckline on the 4 hourly. If you're watching on the 4 hourly, this channel, right? This huge channel. So if we break it with clear selling volume, if we close a 4 hourly, if you want to be safe, and then open a trade, right? It's not financial advice. It's what I will do. Yes. So, okay, now let's go on the question. Philip asked, thank you for your work. Chilies would be interesting. So I prepared also something before I record the video. And if you appreciate it, guys, smash up the like button. This is very like my earnings, or how it called. I like this. Yes. Okay. It's now let's go to the weekly. And Chiliz, I am also invested in Chiliz, to be honest, and I trusting in this project. Yes. And you have for you, do your own research. I can only make for you now the TA, but do your own research. This is very important. Don't trust anybody. Do your own research. This is very important, guys. Okay, so what we see on the weekly moment. Okay, we see on the weekly we are bouncing right now on a big support line. You see resistance, support, support, and now we have to decide how we close the weekly. Hopefully we close the weekly above this support line. If not, it turns into resistance line. We could even go. The next support is at 13 cents, and after the next support would be at 7 cents, right? Because you see here is coming support and here is coming resistance support, right? So we could go down at least 30% or even 55%, right? So, but this would be normal in a bear market. Altcoins, I tell you every time, crashing more than 99%. But again, there is a more interesting upside. If you are trusting in this project, if you know this project, if you made your own research, I personally thinking in the bull run, and if the project will show us nice results, and if Bitcoin will go in a bull mode again, we could see at least the previous top, which was at $1 with 97 cents. So it would be upside of 400%. And if we are really in a clear bull market, we could go even to Fibonacci 1.618 at $1.50 approximately. So it would be even nearly 700%. So this is crazy. If you are really did your own research, you trust in this project, you think it's fundamental a good project, this is also a very very good project which you now can on dollar cost average accumulate. Not financial advice, do your own research. I also invested in this project. This is only a technical analysis, what I could say to you. So I hope, guys, I could help you. If you have any questions, which favorite coin, on which of your favorite coin should I do a technical analysis, please write it down below. Also, if you have any questions, write it down below. I will consider next video. And also, please do further, write me where are you from. It's like, oh, it's opening my mind for me. It's crazy. Somebody writing I'm from Belarus but live in America and watching your videos. It's very, very nice. It's crazy. Some countries I didn't even knew where are you watching from, and this is, it's crazy. It's very too much love to you all, guys. I kiss you, and don't forget, if you want to trade or if you just want buy through spot, claim your bonus at Bybit and Phoenix at 8,200 in bonus after initial deposit, right? Very important. 8,200 for free, guys, after initial deposit. So I kiss you, and we see tomorrow. And please don't be impatient. Wait until either we break the resistance line or we break the support line, because they're playing with your emotions. Don't be emotional if you are trading. It's not emotions. You have to leave blood, I don't know where, but not in trading. Okay, guys, I kiss you. We see tomorrow. Mwah.